The second topic of mathematics first paper, trigonometry first. The word trigonometry contains two Greek words. The word trigonometry is originated two Greek words, that is trigonon and metron. Trigonon, tri means three and gnon means angle and metron means measurement. Trigonometry means three angle measures. The signs of the trigonometry depend upon the certain function is called the trigonometric function. So we have been studied about the trigonometric ratios in 10th class by using the acute angle theta in right angled triangle. If we take the right angled triangle ABC, so angle B is 90 degree. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree and angle A is theta. Angle A is equal to theta is acute angle. Then the trigonometric ratios are defined as follows. Trigonometric ratios are defined as follows. Sin theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. Cot theta is equal to adjacent side divided by opposite side. Sec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon opposite side. So we have been studied about the trigonometric ratios in 10th class by using the right angled triangle. Now we are going to explain the concept of trigonometry by using standard angle or standard circle. Trigonometric function with the help of standard circle. We know the definition of standard circle. A circle whose center is at the origin and having radius r is called the standard circle. If we take, this is the circle whose center is at the origin and radius of this circle is r. So this is called the standard circle. Now if we take, let measure of angle AOB is equal to theta. AOB. So angle AOB is in standard position. Terminal arm OB intersect to the circle at point P. Let the coordinate of point P is x, y. Let P x, y be the point of intersection with terminal R OB and circle. Now the measure of angle AOB is theta. Then the trigonometric functions are defined as follows. Trigonometric function defined as follows. Defined as follows. Here OP is equal to R. P is the coordinate of the point P are x, y. Then the trigonometric function is defined as sin theta is equal to y by R. Cos theta is equal to x by R. Tan theta is equal to y upon x. Cot theta is equal to x by y. Sec theta is equal to r upon x. And cosec theta is equal to r upon y. Now we are going to think, is this definition, this concept is different other than right angle triangle? No, both the concepts are same. For that we draw a perpendicular from point P on x-axis, that is PM perpendicular to x-axis. Then the length of PM is y and the length of OM is x. Then we define the sin theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Means sin theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to adjacent side, opposite side upon adjacent side. Cot theta is equal to adjacent side upon opposite side. Sec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon adjacent side. And cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon opposite side. These are the definitions of trigonometric function with the help of standard circle. Now same concept defined by using the standard angle. Angle in standard position. If we take angle AOB is in a standard position, then we consider point Px, y be any point on this terminal arm OB whose distance is r. Means OP is equal to r and angle AOB is equal to theta. Then we define the trigonometric function same. Sin theta is equal to y coordinate upon r. Cos theta is equal to x coordinate upon r and tan theta is equal to y coordinate upon x. Similarly, we can define same trigonometric function. Now we are going to study about the trigonometric function with the help of standard unit circle. Standard unit circle. Here, what is the definition of standard unit circle? A standard circle whose radius is 1 is called the standard unit circle. Means the radius is 1. OP is equal to 1. Here, OP is equal to 1. Then the trigonometric functions are defined as sin theta is equal to y upon r means y, x upon r means x, and tan theta is equal to y upon x, cot theta is equal to x upon y, sec theta is equal to 1 upon x, and cosec theta is equal to 1 upon y. This is the definition of trigonometric function by using standard unit circle. Now we are going to start the next point, that is interrelation between the trigonometric function. Interrelation between trigonometric function. Sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Means sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. Cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta. And sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Third, tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. 4. Tan theta can be written as sin theta upon cos theta, and cot theta can be written as cos theta upon sin theta. These are the interrelation between the trigonometric function. Sin theta into cos theta is equal to 1. Sin theta can be written as 1 upon cosec theta. Cosec theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. Cos theta into sec theta can be written is equal to 1. Cos theta can be written as 1 upon sec theta. Sec theta can be written as 1 upon cos theta. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. These are the interrelation between trigonometric function. Now we are going to study about the sign of trigonometric function. For that, first we take the remarks. The trigonometric function is depend upon only the measure of angle theta, which is not depend upon the r. The coterminal angles of the trigonometric function have the same values. Now we are going to study about the sign of trigonometric function. We have been studied about the trigonometric function. Sin theta is equal to y upon r, cos theta is equal to x upon r. Here r is always positive. The sign of x and y are different. If theta lies in first quadrant, if theta lies in the first quadrant, then the x coordinate and y coordinate both are positive. If this is the standard unit circle, then sin theta is equal to y and cos theta is equal to x. Here x is the positive and y is the positive, means x is greater than or equal to 0. Y is greater than or equal to 0, means sin theta is the positive and cos theta is the positive in first quadrant. If sin theta and cos theta positive in the first quadrant, then all the trigonometric ratios are positive in the first quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, all the trigonometric ratios are positive. Now we are going to take the second angle lies in second quadrant. Angle lies in second quadrant. Angle AOB theta. Then point P x comma y. Point P lies in the second quadrant. Then x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. X is equal to cos theta. Y is equal to sin theta. X is negative, means less than 0, and y is positive, y is greater than 0, means cos theta is negative, sin theta is positive, and the positive terms are sin theta and cosec theta are positive, and the rest of the trigonometric ratios are negative in the second quadrant. Now theta lies in the third quadrant. Now theta lies in the third quadrant. Angle AOB. The measure of this angle is theta. And theta lies in the third quadrant. Then the point of P x comma y lies on a standard unit circle. Then here x is negative and y is also negative. X coordinate of point P is negative, y coordinate of the point P is negative, means sin theta is less than 0, cos theta is less than 0, means their ratio of the two negative number is positive. Tan theta and cot theta are positive and the rest of the trigonometric ratios are negative. Tan theta and cot theta are positive and the rest of the trigonometric functions are negative. In the fourth quadrant. Now, if theta lies in the fourth quadrant, measure of angle AOB, the measure of this angle is the theta. Then theta lies in the fourth quadrant. Then point P whose coordinates are x comma y. Here x is positive and y is negative, means cos theta is equal to x, sin theta is equal to y. X is positive, means cos theta is positive and y is negative, means sin theta is less than 0. Cos theta is positive. Cos theta is positive means sec theta is also positive. In first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are positive. In second quadrant, sin theta and cosec theta are positive. Remaining rest of the trigonometric functions are negative. In third quadrant, tan theta and cot theta are positive. Rest of the trigonometric functions are negative. In fourth quadrant, cos theta and sec theta are positive. Rest of the trigonometric functions are negative. Here, first alphabet of all is A. First alphabet of sin is S. First alphabet of tan is T. And first alphabet of cos is C. Then it is also called ASTC rule. ASTC rule. First alphabet A denote or second alphabet S denote sine and cosine. We also remember this by using another sentence. That sentence we have been regularly used in our life, that is add sugar to coffee. The first alphabet of add is A, means all. First alphabet of sugar, yes, is denote sine. First alphabet of T denote the tan, and first alphabet coffee denote cos. So we have to remember all these concepts, the sign of trigonometric function, by using ASTC rule or add sugar to coffee. In first quadrant, both the coordinates are positive. In second quadrant, x coordinate negative, y coordinate positive. In third quadrant, both the coordinates are negative. In fourth quadrant, x coordinate is positive, y coordinate is negative. So we have been studied about the sign of the trigonometric functions. So now we are going to start the next point, that is trigonometric function of specific angle.